What's happening, everybody? Cody Blanchett here again, and I've been playing with this little Mantis tiller for, well, I've had it for probably a year or something now, but never had time to play with it to get it to run. That's what I'm working with, if you need an item number or anything. I replaced all the fuel lines, and you see the old carburetor there. Replaced all the fuel lines. I played with it before. Replaced all the fuel lines, and still just couldn't get it to prime. I went through, cleaned the carburetor, played with. I've probably spent 4 hours on this thing. I've taken it apart 3 or 4 different times, and just could never get it to run right. My advice would be to go out and buy off Amazon just a brand new carburetor. This one here cost me $11. Put it all together and it runs right off the bat. I'm going to pause y'all, we'll fire it up, and maybe y'all can see it run for a second. As you can see, I've already tested it out a little bit. But there you got it, folks. Save your time. Just go buy you a new carburetor. $11, Amazon. And like, I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm just trying to save you some time and a headache. I hope this helped. Yeah, bye. Like, share, subscribe, comment.